The Lexus LS460 has built a reputation as one of the most bulletproof luxury sedans ever made. In this video, we'll rank the best and worst years of the Lexus LS460, specifically focusing on reliability, repair costs, and long-term value, so you know exactly which one to buy and which to walk away from. We'll break it down into three parts: the years to avoid, the solid middle ground years, and the single best year to buy. According to data from Consumer Reports, J.D. Power, and owner-reported repair trends, a clear winner emerges. Let's get into it. Coming in at number 1 as the year to approach with the most caution, the 2007 LS460. As the very first model year of an all-new platform, the 2007 carried the typical first-generation growing pains. According to owner complaint data compiled across NHTSA and car complaints, the 2007 model logged the highest number of issues of any LS460 year. The most significant concern was the available air suspension system. On models equipped with it, the air struts could fail over time, and this is particularly frustrating because a single failed strut can cost between $1,500 and $3,000 to replace at a dealership, with all four corners running well over $4,000. Owners also reported early electronics quirks and a handful of fuel system service bulletins. Now, to be clear, even the worst LS460 is more reliable than most luxury competitors. But if you're shopping used, the 2007 carries the most risk for the least reward. At the next tier of caution, the 2008 and 2009 models. Lexus addressed several of the 2007's teething issues, but these years still sit in the early production window. Owners reported occasional issues with the brake actuator and ABS accumulator, a component that, when it fails, can trigger warning lights and cost between $2,000 and $3,000 to repair. The variable air suspension remains the recurring theme here. If you're looking at any 2007 to 2009 LS460, the single most important thing you can do is confirm whether it has the standard coil suspension or the optional air setup, and budget accordingly. For most buyers shopping this generation, the early years simply aren't worth it when better options exist for similar money. The solid middle years. Coming in as the first genuinely confident buy, the 2010 through 2012 LS460. In 2010, Lexus gave the LS a meaningful update, refreshed styling, improved interior materials, and critically, refinements that addressed many of the early reliability concerns. By this point, the air suspension issues were better understood, and the electronics had matured. According to long-term ownership data, the 2011 and 2012 models in particular are frequently cited by owners as a reliability sweet spot. Repair frequency drops noticeably compared to the 2007 to 2009 cars. The 4.6-liter V8 in these years routinely crosses 150,000 to 200,000 miles with only routine maintenance, water pump, fluids, and the standard service intervals. For a buyer who wants the classic LS460 experience at the lowest price point in the safer range, the 2011 and 2012 are excellent value. You're getting a refined, dependable luxury sedan without paying for the final update premium. At the next level up, the 2013 and 2014 models. In 2013, Lexus delivered the LS's most significant mid-cycle overhaul, introducing the signature spindle grille, a substantially upgraded interior, improved sound insulation, and the addition of the F-Sport trim for those wanting a sharper drive. Mechanically, the proven 4.6-liter V8 and 8-speed automatic carried over, which is exactly what you want. Lexus kept the dependable hardware and improved everything around it. Owners of these years report high satisfaction with build quality and very few major mechanical complaints. The main consideration is simply the higher purchase price compared to the earlier years. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. According to multiple sources, combining reliability ratings, owner satisfaction, and long-term durability, the best Lexus LS460 to buy is the 2015 model, with the 2016 and 2017 close behind. And here's why. By 2015, the LS460 represented the fully matured, end-of-cycle version of this car. Every weak point from the early years had been refined or resolved. The powertrain, that 4.6-liter V8 and 8-speed automatic, had nearly a decade of proven reliability behind it. The interior reached its highest level of quality and technology. And critically, owner-reported repair frequency for these final years is among the lowest of the entire generation. The 2015 specifically hits the ideal balance. It has all the refinements of the final update. It's old enough now to be genuinely affordable on the used market, yet new enough to feel modern. With high reliability ratings and a comfortable, refined interior, the 2015 LS460 remains the smartest choice for those looking for a dependable luxury flagship that holds its value. For those shopping used, the 2015 to 2017 model years are widely considered the most reliable LS460 years of this generation. It is the best LS460 to buy, representing the pinnacle of Lexus's commitment to durability, serenity, and value. So, to recap, avoid the 2007 to 2009 models if you can. The 2010 to 2014 years offer excellent value, and the 2015 stands out as the single best Lexus LS460 year to buy. Which Lexus LS460 do you own, and how is it held up for you? Your experience might help another buyer make the right choice. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.